What's up, guys? Johnny V out here, See John Vlog, in Metairie, Louisiana, just west of New Orleans. All those buildings over there are actually in New Orleans. That's the West End area out there. Yeah, we are over here over the Lake Pontchartrain. We're on a little fishing pier out at the Bonnabel boat launch. Show you what it looks like. You know, family atmosphere. Families walking their kids, walking their dogs, pushing their kids in strollers and stuff like that. This is sunset. It is 20 minutes till 7 current Central Standard Time. Still in daylight savings time, so it's CDST, Central Daylight Savings Time. We only got a couple of weeks left, and we're gonna flip-flop our clock back. We're gonna fall back. So then it would be 5:38 right now instead of 6:38. In another couple of weeks, it'll be 20 minutes till 6 and the sun will be going down. There's a sign over there that says alligators, snakes, all kind of stuff. So it says watch out. It'd be nice to get one on video. This is a boat launch. Guy out here, dog taking a crap. Guy's over here still trying to dock it, still trying to tie his boat up. Been out here for about 20 minutes. Took their dog on a little boat ride. That's cool. Supposed to be a no wake zone. He's making a wake. Hey, puppy. They redid this in 2016. So what? 3 years ago now. Nice little area. They got a dog park over there. Bunch of dogs. Whoa. About it in reverse, I think. Oh, taking his boat off. I thought he was trying to tie it up. He's out here by himself. Oh God. One person boat. Alright, jump in and take it for a ride. I should see if it take me for a little joyride. Great, more music. More copyright music nobody wants to hear. Michael Jackson, that's just great. La 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 me ha. Maybe I'll turn the music off eventually and I won't have to worry about singing the whole time. Boom boom boop boop. But those dogs are running pretty fast over there in a dog park. That's funny. Yep, this is Bonnabel boat launch. Water's up pretty high. You actually gotta walk in the water before getting to the little pier, getting to the dock. See right there? You gotta walk into the water, and then suddenly the dock will appear again. We got a little picnic area over here for you. You're gonna have a picnic on the lake. Another couple of weeks it'll be good. It's kind of still hot out here in September. Jump in my car and show you all. You drive over the levee. Levee holds this water in this area where we kind of want to make it stay. That's a Jefferson Parish Police Operation Building or something like that. Alright, let's see how fast I can do that. That guy's going to get his boat. Great. Alright, that's not too bad. I'm not in his way. He's not in my way. Okay, good. Put my seatbelt on right quick. There's that dog park I was telling y'all about. Dogs chasing each other. Play area for the kids over there. I think it's a water treatment plant. I don't know. It's not a water treatment plant. It's a pumping station. Pumps the water out to the lake. And here's the flood wall I was telling you about. That's just a gate they can close. That's plus 11.5 feet. So I'm guessing that's the elevation, maybe. or how much gain that levee provides from that area. 11.5 foot. I don't know. I thought it was supposed to provide protection of 20-something feet. I don't know. All I know is it's usually pretty safe out here unless a major hurricane comes. But now we're on Bonnabel Boulevard, headed south, and it is 89 degrees still. End of September, on September 26th. Today is my birthday. Thought I'd do a birthday video for myself, document time and this is West Esplanade Avenue. How y'all been doing? Doing alright? Y'all watching football, baseball? Baseball season's winding down. Playoffs start next week. Playoffs start on Tuesday, I believe. Alright, over here at Bonnabel Boulevard, heading south on Bonnabel. We're at Veterans Highway, Veterans Boulevard. Right, just about sunset. We're losing daylight fast out here in Metairie, Louisiana. Over here used to be the sewer treatment plant. They built on top of it. Built some $500,000 homes. Maybe more, I don't know. At least $500,000. Some people say that's cheap, some people say it's expensive. It just depends on what you're used to. I mean, you would, oh Lord, all you'd get was like a shack for that in most major cities. But here you get a nice, beautiful home for about $500 or $600. And they're relatively safe, you know. I say majorly safe area. All right, we're headed west now on the Interstate 10 system. You used to be able to get off right here at Causeway up until about 5 years ago. They changed it up. I used to be able to get on at Bonnabel and get off at... Used to be able to get on at Bonnabel and get off at Causeway. Made it really good for me because my house is right here on the left. I gotta pass it up, go about a mile and a half, and get back on, then we can get off at Causeway. If I could just do a loop-de-loop, I really don't have to get off. I could just do a loop-de-loop, get back on the interstate, then get off at Causeway. It adds about 6 or 7 minutes to my trip. Here's an airport shuttle bus. They shuttle people from downtown New Orleans to the airport. It's about a 20-25 minute ride. Maybe 30-35 with traffic, which is pretty good for some cities' airport. Some cities' airports are like 45-50 minutes away. And we're in the top 10 for closest airport to downtown, that's for sure. I mean, our city's small though. That's one of the reasons we can have a close airport, because the city's not very big. I think it's only 400,000 people. I mean, it used to be a lot more before Katrina. A lot of people left and come back. Alright, so we'll do this loop-de-loop. Get back on the interstate. Just do a little cloverleaf system here. Alright guys, remember it's getting to be about that time. I got a 4.99 gigabyte limit on this DJI camera I got here. So either 3.99 gigabytes or 4.99 gigabytes is as long as it'll let me record. So it's usually around 15 minutes, 10 seconds. But if you like my videos, click the thumbs up icon. If you don't like my videos, click the thumbs down icon. It's little thumbs up and thumbs down. You can click one or the other. It helped me out. And leave a comment, ask a question, all that good stuff. Hey, and I'll see y'all next time, guys. Peace out. I'm getting off here at Causeway Boulevard South, Water Tower. Alright, sometimes there's a cop up here checking seatbelts and brake tags. We have brake tags here. It's an inspection sticker, really. You have to get it every 2 years. Alright, y'all have a good one. Peace out.